Assalamualaikum, Miss Abdul Kareem. So, the plot of the birch tree's gift. So basically, the main problem is that the birch tree is crying, and the conflict or the reason why the birch tree is crying is because he thought he would just like it would be the end of him, because he thought like he would get burned and like stuff like that. And then the resolution is at the end when O'Laren took this nice girl's hair and made a harp from the birch tree and her hair, and then he gave it to the birch tree so that the birch tree can sing its own song, so that it will actually be something, and his fears have gone away. So the theme that I got from the birch tree's gift is to love yourself. Basically the birch tree did not love itself, and it did not have self-confidence, and then after something happened to it, it had self-confidence and it was finally ready. And then yeah. Alright, thanks, bye.